Hello everyone. Today we will discuss class 6th GK, and the first chapter is morality and ethics. Morality and ethics. Okay. You can know that these words belongs to our society, and if a person wants to spend his her life in a better way, then they should have, or he or she should have, morality and ethics. Okay, so here morality talks about the principle that helps us in differentiate between what is right and what is wrong. You can say that morality shows to know about right and wrong, what is right and what is wrong, we can know throughout the morality. The word morality originates from the Latin word moralitas. Okay, you can say that the word morality originates from Latin word moralitas. Moralitas. Okay, morality. This word came from the origin of a Latin word. This is a Latin word. Latin word. Okay, this is a Latin word, and this morality came from moralitas. Moralitas. Okay, moralitas, which means proper behavior, and the meaning of moralitas means proper behavior. Means proper behavior. Okay, means morality came from a Latin word, and the Latin word is moralitas. Moralitas. Moralitas means proper behavior. Characters and manner. Not only proper behavior, proper characters, and not only proper characters but manner also. Means you can say that morality came from a Latin word. Latin word is moralitas. Moralitas means proper behavior or proper character or proper manner. Okay. Morality carries generally three concepts, that is moral standard with regard to behavior, moral responsibilities which refers to our conscience, means you can say conscience, and moral identity which refers to our capacity and doing the right or wrong thing. Even though morality and ethics are two different things, they usually get used in similar contexts. While morals pertain to personal standards, ethics is all about our behavior in the outside the world. Okay guys, so today you should know about the morality. So today's homework, know about morality. Know about morality. Okay.